to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi sisters, it's Jade Thomas here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be James Charles because we're going to do a full glam makeup look on her because she's never had her makeup done like this before. Actually, yes she has. Flashback. I'm going to get my makeup done. Boom. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out by moisturizing the face. She already moisturized her face with her Neutrogena moisturizer. To make her look like really dewy and glowy, we're going to use this Glossier Invisible Shield sunscreen. Even though she's not going in the sun right now, it makes her look really, really dewy. I don't like my knee by your vagina. This stuff a little goes a long way. You only need like one pump just to get the dewy look, but if you're gonna actually protect your skin, use more. What the heck was that laugh? We're gonna take the NYX Mineral Stick Foundation in the shade Porcelain, which is 02, and hope that it's her shade. It just glides on the skin so nicely, so that's why I really like this. Good. Just so nice. And turn this way. And it just feels really nice and it blends super easily. Okay. Give me your head. And I also like how this is pretty high, heavy, high coverage, but you can like still see your freckles through it, you know? Oh my god. Your hairs. Ew! It's clinging to like your pieces of dry skin that should like peel off from your sunburn. Ew, that's disgusting. Okay, Sadie, stop! Nobody needs to see that. There's a mirror right there. You're being so annoying. Turn that way! Ow. Look at your hair. Oh no. Also, it's not going to be completely full glam because I don't have contour / bronzer. It feels so silky, doesn't it? Make your fingers go in my ear. I was like, ew, what the heck? I was holding her head like this. I didn't even notice my finger was in her ear. Your skin is coming off with it. I should have used your beauty blender. Look up. Okay, now time for concealer. This concealer is literally empty, but you know, we're still going to use it. Look up. I don't want to irritate her too much. I'm going to use this blooming brush and just blend it out with that. So now we're going to use some powder to set everything in place, and we're going to use this brush. Now we're going to move on to blush. So we're going to take a little bit of this Color Workshop blush. And we're just going to put it on her apples of her cheeks and then blend it out. So now we're going to take a little bit of this. It's like sparkly. It's the Ulta Beauty Bouncy Blush. Got it in my advent calendar. We're just going to add a little bit of that like higher up on her cheeks so that it looks like it'll like blend her highlight and her blush together. So we're just going to add a little bit of that now and then blend it with her highlight later. See, I'm like acting like I know what I'm doing when I really don't. We're gonna move on to brows. So we're gonna use this Easy Breezy brow. We're gonna be using this angled brush, and we're going to be using the darker color. She has really nice eyebrows. Look at her eyebrows. She got them threaded. So basically, I just like brush this through her eyebrows, so it just like darkens them a little bit without making them look too like intense and perfect, you know. Now we're going to take our spoolie and blend it out, and then we'll put some eyebrow gel on it. Ew, your skin is all in my spoolie. I need your spoolie. Give me yours. A giant piece just came off. Okay, now we're going to take my favorite brow gel, which it used to be my least favorite, but now it's my favorite. I'm going to use the eyelash side because I'm out of the brow side, but I like the eyelash side better. And we're going to set her eyebrows in place. So what I do is I like to brush all of them up and then go across like that. It's soft. Okay, so we brush it like that so it looks a little wonky. And then we're gonna go. Okay, so here are her eyebrows. Now we're gonna do like a good eye look, which I've never done this before, but we're gonna try. What color are you thinking? A brownish, sunny look. We're gonna be using this palette. It's from Wet n Wild because we're gonna do like full glam, but like beginner full glam, you know? We're gonna start by taking this light brown color and putting it all over her lid. Alright, so we're gonna put that all over her lid. Favorite
Y'all should
beauty
play duos with me. My name is Sadie Space Booze Booze. Spelled B-O-O-Z, B-O-O-Z, and it's all one word. And you guys can play Fortnite with me, so.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this darker brown shade and we're gonna put it in her crease. Wait, this actually looks good. We're taking this brush and we're gonna put it, the shimmery color on her lid. So I think we're gonna use this color right here. So now we have like a base shimmery color, and we're gonna go in with this, and we're gonna use a little bit of this medium color for an extra pop of shimmer. And we're just gonna focus that towards her inner corner, but we're also gonna blend it out. This is what it looks like, nice and shimmery. We're gonna go in with this gator wings color, which is this like highlighter color. We're gonna put this in her inner corner. That's what it looks like. I think it looks really good for like my first time ever doing this. We're just gonna blend it out some more, so just so it looks a little bit better. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this brush right here, and we're going to mix the two brown shades from this palette that I use, and we're gonna go under her eye to like bring the whole look together. Now we're gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna use the Clump Crusher, a water resistant one, because it just acts as a good base, so it's like not clumpy. And the other mascara I have is really, really clumpy and gross. So come here. Now we're gonna take a little tiny bit of this. It's the Mary Kay Lash Intensity Mascara, and it's super clumpy, so I'm just gonna like brush it off on the side so we don't have that much. I'm just gonna go a little bit, look halfway. A little bit. It makes them look so long. Now we're gonna mix two highlighters together. We have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder and the shade Precious Petals, and then we also have the Cover FX highlight in the shade Sunlight. So this is what they look like. We're gonna mix these two together because they're both super pretty, and I can't decide which one I want, so we're gonna use both. We're gonna start with this one and layer this one on top.
My favorite piece of makeup is highlighter.
Now we're gonna do lips. So always moisturize your lips with chapstick before you put on any type of lip gloss or lipstick, just so it doesn't like dry out your lips. So we're gonna start with the Tarteist glossy lip paint in the shade this color. I don't know, it doesn't say the shade, but it's this light pink color. Alright, and then we're gonna take this Baby Lips moisturizing lip gloss just to make it look extra glossy, because I love a glossy lip with like some good highlight and stuff like that. Okay, so here's the final look. Yeah, so what do you think? Here, look at the mirror.
Ooh! Oh my god, I look like I have false lashes on. Ooh, I really like. Ooh!
Yay!
Except for my flakies, but.
Flakies, yeah. Yay, she likes it. Okay.
I like
Thank
this.
you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to do more videos with my sister or more makeup videos in general, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Watch the breakdown.